Bluefields River. So guys, so we're here at Bluefields River. You know, this river that I always go to when I'm here in Westmoreland. I always come to this river. Bluefields. Yeah.
Yes.
Open the door.
Let's see.
Whoa.
Are you guys even ready?
You're ready for look at this. Beautiful.
This feels so good.
Beautiful.
So clean, guys. When it comes to cleanliness, wow.
But them say cleanliness is next to godliness.
Yes, it's such a beautiful place. As you all see, we have the living area right here. This is Nikki's place.
It says Nikki's. Right, it's Nikki's place, right?
You said Nikki's.
You said Nikki's. It says Nikki's Airbnb. See, I know I will discover something. I know I would have discovered something. But look, guys, there's a hole. There is a black hole right there. No way.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them
Well. Let's say look, we're here at Bluefields. We're here at Bluefields River here in Westmoreland. Bluefields. Ah, cuz. Oh, go on. You're close by, man. Here you go. Hey, but this is my cousin here. Cousin by blood. Remember Jamaica Good Life days when I was frying the fish in the yard? This was him, you know, cousin Marvin. And we're here back at Bluefields River, you know. And I can meet D, come. This is D Mwango.
Kino is overfeeding me. Wow, God, you good? Nice to meet you.
Watch your program.
Yeah, Mube Michelle, cousin.
Cousin, brother?
Cousin, my mom's cousin as well, yeah.
He talks so slow. He don't shout like Jamaican.
No, he's cool, man.
Yeah, I'm so surprised how you talk so slow, not like Kino. You know, Kino has a hidden voice. Wow, wow, wow.
Yes, Pumi, so you see the linkage D finally meet Marvin. You know, so his name is Marvin.
Wow.
Marvin.
You're a BMW fan.
Yeah.
Just like me.
Yeah. So the
Nice
river's
to
still
meet
up and running.
It's like one month.
Yeah.
You're a Rasta?
Yeah.
Let me see your dreads.
Hey.
Hey!
She love Rasta, you know.
Okay. I can touch?
Yeah.
Alright, alright. Wow, when mine will reach like this, I'll be walking like this. I'll never take it easy. Guys, they say there's a very beautiful river here. I'm so full. Let me go drink some food. I'm changing.
Yeah. So she want to river. Check out the river. So cause how is everything?
It's alright, man. You know, complain because life did it, so we have to give thanks to the
Yes.
past, you know.
Cause we do get a place right in Lobster 20 minutes from White House here. It's right at St. Elizabeth. So.
Yeah.
So you know far
Very.
you know, so we can go and burn some time with the event and then reach there and sort it out and things.
Yeah.
You know, and tomorrow now is a full day. We'll just come out early and come link you. You know?
Nearby, as I said.
Nearby, right?
Yeah, man.
Yes, nearby. Tomorrow we want to come on fully, come link and do some. He's bad and the chef thing, you know.
Hey, I have a crab with me.
Oh, lobster. Not crab, lobster.
I have all my pots, everything. I'm a walking kitchen.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Guys,
look,
everything.
she bring everything, you know. So when more time, we stop
Yeah.
and cook
can
at the
cook.
rivers.
Let me tell you something, what program.
We have everything, you see?
Yeah, pot, everything
Pot.
all because.
Everything. All purpose.
I say me watch the program and me
Look,
see.
salt.
Yeah.
Everything we have.
Yes, I go, man. I have everything, man.
So we go cook
Yeah.
the lobster. Yeah, we have everything.
Can't cook your lobster, man.
We have even everything.
When today?
Now.
Now.
We have everything here.
Wait, and it cause?
Everything, man. So you can't get firewood there and make
Of
up
course.
fire.
Alright then,
Why
so
not?
cause is ready for that then.
Of course. Look at it. It's here.
One lobster. You have knife, you don't have no knife.
Look, even bongo piece.
No, not bongo.
Eh,
It's gungu.
gungu.
Don't a
Even
sabla
for
man
making,
throw no
even
bite
if you want to
away.
make dumpling, we have everything.
Oh. You have knife?
Yeah, you don't have any knife, D.
Ah, you think we don't have a knife?
You have knife?
How come Skinner doesn't talk with a
No,
knife?
remember we bought a knife the last time. Where did you put it?
Oh, maybe I forgot it in my place.
See, so we don't have any knife.
No, but we can ask for a knife.
They're packing up there.
We cut it everything.
They're packing up there.
They are packing up? There's no shop within
You
here.
can't get a knife. Come on, jet bridges, so you can't get a knife.
Oh,
Okay.
Thank you.
Cause Marvin love the adventure, you know.
But what about a frying pan?
Frying pan. See, that is it.
Hey, you remember when I wanted to carry the thing, Skinner was like,
Yeah.
my car is full, my
You
car is
better use the big pot.
Ready to fry it.
Yeah, that you want to fry it.
This is for dumplings.
Nobody can fry a knife.
Can fry another.
Can fry?
Yeah, man,
Yeah.
can fry a knife.
Okay. That's it.
Drink pot. Cause you drink beer?
Yeah, man.
Hey.
I'm gonna do things so I get men when tell me we could have walked with a knife too, you know.
Yeah. Actually,
Oh,
we never
I have
plan.
it, I have
Oh, she have the
it, I
knife.
have
Oh. Oh, you have small pot in there. We are talking about. What's this? You have small Dutch.
It's a Dutch spot, yeah, man.
This one will fit?
Yeah.
Oh, I can have onions.
No, that one doesn't.
Okay.
Oh, this one is small. Oh, we have the butter also. You use butter? Do you think?
I fry, I say I go fry it, so you don't need no
You need no butter.
We have the fox also.
Yeah.
don't need one, no, that's one.
Oh. The seasoning. We can catch this and put inside. Huh?
Yeah, anyhow. But like, most likely when you fry it, we always just make a little sauce.
Oh.
Yeah, make a sauce.
Yeah, that's
Sweet pepper.
yes. You see,
Everything.
Kina? Kina is a London boy. He doesn't know the thing. I'm going to shower. What else?
What else?
That is it? Oh, the seasoning is there, the salt is there. Oh, the salt. See, we can even make what's called.
You see what else in the box. Yeah, black beans. I could make a black bean sauce on the side.
Oh yeah, it could be so good. You see? When I was cutting kilo, I was like, oh, the car is full. You see that?
What time is it? After 4. Feel we have time?
What do you mean, man?
Alright, so we have time. We have time. Guys, it's good to see you again, man. Good to see you, man. Good to see you.
What's the name again, Peter?
Bluefields River.
Bluefields.
Yeah. Been to, yes, the Bluefields River. I've been to this river a couple of years back, about 2 years ago.
About 2 years ago.
Yeah, the last time I've been to this river. Bluefields.
Oh, Bluefields.
Yes. 2 years ago. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, that's spot here already. So guys, so this is the river. Wow. So the shower, that's the shower part there. Where you can shower. Yeah. Alright, so guys, so look, so this is the river. Come here, D. Put your pot down. So guys, so this is the river. By the rivers of Babylon. Woo! Guys, who remember this river? When I was here, when I was doing Jamaica Good Life, I was at this river. This is the Bluefields River. Here's where they do the shower part. Wow. Bluefields River. So guys, so we're here at Bluefields River. You know, this river that I always go to when I'm here in Westmoreland. I always come to this river. Bluefields. Yeah. Huh? What you said? You scared? It's not slippery, you know. Yes. So guys, so this is the river. Marvin, you can still go upstream. So, go on, Marvin, catch the fire already. Marvin is quick. Marvin catch the fire already. So guys, so this is what Marvin used to. Fishing by the river. At the first I could carry. So you have one moment there here?
Yes, out of River.
Exactly.
Yeah, true.
Remember when Mummy was here, Yana was at the river cooking.
That's when you got Arabin there the day time.
Yeah. There you go, Mummy.
Mummy, I check you now.
Quick and fast. Marvin catch this. Oh, it's Bluefields River, guys. So Even mommy growing up coming to this river. We grew up coming to this river. So much of my family them grew up coming to this river. And me born grew up coming to this river. So Marvin and I kept on walking on Riverside. You know? This is what we do it in Riverside. Kept walking at the river. Cooking by the river. It's too cold. So there's upstream. I think upstream have a deep part though. I need to fall up there. Upstream there. The upstream have a deep part. I'm gonna walk the upstream. Upstream of a fall, I think. Yeah. So guys, this is a little pool right here. It's been a while, but I know up the stream you have another part where you can go up the stream where it's nice as well to up the stream. Where I remember it used to deep, you could have jumped, could have a dive inside. So I'm going to check and see if it's still there, because it's got a fall as well. You know, there's a fall up the stream. The water is clean. Wow, here's the falls. There's a fall up there, there's a fall there, the fall gateway. The fall that away. Wow. There's a little deep part right here. As you can see, there's soap. People come here to shower. You know, right here, people come here to shower. You know, because the island is truly blessed. So blessed. There's the mini fall there. Okay guys, so welcome to Bluefields River. I will be taking a touch the beach. Welcome to Bluefields River guys. We are here. It's one of the best rivers like we can shower, relax, then come here, shower and relax. Trust me, have a lot of fun here. It's a mini falls. So there you go. I got more falls along the way I was working, so let me go up and up and up and up. Beautiful, look in the forest there. Whew. I've been baptized in nature. Hey, the beauty of our country with all of these hidden beauty, you know. But Bluefield River is known across the globe, you know. Many people who came to Jamaica then been to this river, you know. Like there's so much mini bars so you can sit down and relax. So much mini bars so you can literally sit down and relax. So many. Clean and everything. I keep going up. Keep going same way. Oh, you also have a cave as well to up here. Guys, if you reach this far, you're watching Keen Life in Jamaica, and you haven't subscribed and you haven't smashed the like button, what are you waiting on? What are you waiting for? Smash that like button, put the thumbs up, you know, support the movement. You know, remember, this is a charity based program where we help out the less fortunate, you know, needy, you know, to show the love, spread the love. That's what it is, spread the love. And you got a cave, huh? So the further I'm gonna go, the better it's gonna get. Look at that. Better it's gonna get. Well, you have an underground right here. Underground tunnel. So this is the underground tunnel. This tunnel is way under. Wow. So we're in the tunnel. Woo! This river runs under the tunnel. This river go all the way. I don't even know where this river is running from. Trust me. This is the anger. Look on these roots. Look on these, all of these tree roots. Yeah, look on all these tree roots. Tree roots running down from the tree. So this is what it looks like under the ground. And the roots then is under the ground. Look at it. Coming from that tree, coming down. So one tree is bringing so many roots. So many roots, look. Roots and roots and roots. So this is what you call when you're exploring Jamaica, you know? This is the first time I'm literally walking up this river as well too. The last time when I came, we never walked up the river because of the camera what I was using wasn't that waterproof. But sure, I'm rolling with the GoPro now. You know, you can travel along. You can take water splash and everything. So if you keep going, I don't know where this river will take me to, what I will meet up on. But guys, stroll with me. Stroll with me along this river adventure. So I'm strolling up the river to see what I can discover. Oh. It's more with nature. Rolling with nature. So up here start to get more darker because of the tree come over, the tree them cover. Wow! See, I know I will discover something. I know I would have discovered something. But look, guys, there's a hole. There is a black hole right there. No way. No way, this is a black hole right there. Look at that deep black hole. I mean, if you get a long stick and see how far that hole will go. Look, I can see here it's clear. I can see where it's black. That is so deep. That is so deep. I'm not asking you. I know. And you don't have to tell me. I know by looking at it. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm seeing. Eh? But right here it is deep. That is deep. Yo, look how far I'm at right now up the stream. Alright, let me take a shortcut. Remember, I can swim, but I don't take risk. You know, I don't take certain risks. Life is made to take risks, but some risks you don't take. Because I see big swimmer die, if the big swimmer drown. So if the biggest swimmers can drown, who am I? It's a big diver drown. So let me get my stick. I'm gonna measure this. So you see where this stick is right now. So this stick is taller than me. Alright, so because I need something that's taller than me, where I can twist that black part. Woo! Woo! Look at that, look. Alright, so you see what I'm talking about? You can't see, I never measure the stick. As you can see there? The best thing you can do is dive and swim out. Trust me. Trust. That is too black like quicksand. You know, that is black like quicksand. Wow. Here's another one. Why so black? Look. So black. Guys, I know the further I'm gonna go, the more I will discover. You know? So the further I go, the more I will discover. So when you say go more, Or what? Like a very long stream. We'll be walking for how long, I don't know, but remember guys, so I'm not there for the lobster. So if they burn it, please don't say it's me. Remember, I'm not there for the lobster. So if they burn it, please don't say it's me. I see current. I see current wire. Someone on current. Oh, we got a lot of current wire here. Electrical wire. Some electrical. So that's guys. So I'm gonna head back downstream. To see what they're doing with the lobster. So you see, we could have even come up more and explore the river. Could have really come up more and explore the river. To the deep part here, well deep. I always think river is tricky. River and the sea is two different. The river carries some holes, but I'm telling you, the holes them, you just pack with current inside of them. You know, we can hold it. So there's dark. It's just so dark. You know? So dark. Courage. You don't want to courage. The one thing you have to worry about when you're rolling through these bush is the courage. That's all you have to worry about rolling through this nature. Is courage. When courage touch your skin, they go boogie boogie. You cannot feel it. It's electric. So walk through the water. We're walking through the nature. You know. Yeah, but the river is so nice. So there's so much you can come up the stream. Come do. You know. So where Dee and Marvin is at cooking. You could literally come up the stream more as well too. You know, you could have come up the stream more. Right, you can hear like everybody's up there. So you know, even when Dee's gone back to Africa, you know, I've got it in my mind, you know. I always have it in my mind for always want to do these adventures video, see me. And I definitely will be doing some travel video as well too, you know. Explore a bit more. So going back through the tunnel. Explore more in Jamaica and the Caribbean as well too, you know, so I will be taking on some Caribbean as well too. Definitely taking on some Caribbean back. See them here. Yeah. Why not? We have one life to live. You know, we are all here for a time. So we don't know how long is our time, because everyone have a time, everyone is on the clock. So while you're on the clock, just explore and enjoy life. You know? Yeah. Clockwork. That's how it works. Clockwork. This is the clockwork. Yeah. Nice. Right? Clockwork, isn't it? So sometimes some people come into your life, you know, they inspire you. People out there that inspire you for do things, you know, that you never think of, say, you want to do, because sometimes we get caught up in our comfort zone, you know. And in life, you cannot be successful and comfortable at the same time. You know, that's one thing I know with life. You have to feel uncomfortable to be successful. You cannot comfortable and successful at the same time. You know, so you have to always be hunting your goals, you know, always just exploring, enjoying life. That's all you should be. Exploring. You know, that's all life is. Life is to explore, to evolve, you know, get to meet other, you know, meet more personality, you know, get to know people across the world. So remember, we all have a clock, we all have a time that we're working from, you know, so the time that we're working from, that's what we have to do, explore. You know, we have to explore, guys. So we have to give thanks for life. That's what it is. You know, that is what it is. Oh, someone there. Enjoy life. You know. Oh, real life and this one day or so. Man, I'm the general. Hold it. Man, cruising and jacuzzi. The man cozy in a jacuzzi. So we just pass some man and enjoy themselves. You know, so by the time we walk go up and come back down, there's people already enjoying themselves, enjoying the shower. So I'm gonna have mine in a minute, soon as D-Dem is finished with the lobster. So let's go check up to see what D and cousin Marvin is doing with the lobster. And I hope they don't burn the lobster. So guys, remember who burned the lobster. Right? Area D mango. D mango, D mango. D. You know far my walk go? Far. Yeah, could I go way up the stream and cook like so much different places. You even have a deep part up there as well.
You can't even see.
Eh?
Let's drive.
Let's drive where?
Go up.
Drive up the stream? Okay, we're gonna drive the car, come down here and then drive up the stream.
Because I don't want the mosquitoes to eat me in the bush.
Yeah. Wow.
Wow, me, I'm just chilling. Listening to the sounds of the water flow.
So nice.
I don't wanna leave.
You know what I was saying in the video? I was saying, guys, I hope you see that I wasn't here with the lobster. If the lobster burned, as my witness, you know I went up the tree. But
guys, you know who burned the lobster always, you know?
But even though my cousin Marvin is here, I don't think she will burn it because my cousin is here. You know, giving an eye, right?
Alright.
So I'm gonna see what the lobster is saying.
Okay. You know, one picture, please. Have to sample. Just to.
Just give me a minute. I'm coming back.
One bites me, goes and calls the other.
Is it?
There's something in blood here, let's go. Yeah.
Alright. Oh, cause so cause I go and win. Oh, lobster frying. Guys, I'm glad cousin Marvin is here. So at least she don't burn the lobster. Yeah, cause the season well cut up and thing. Hey. Wow.
Wow, looks so good.
What a pretty man.
Wow.
Pretty it be. Leave it alone. Leave it alone.
Guys, you see what Kino is doing? Leave it alone.
Leave the lobster, guys. Speak to her for me now, please. Leave the lobster alone. So unfair.
Okay, I'm waiting.
Just wait. See? Don't play with cousin in the kitchen.
I'm going to spray myself. Kino, open the car for me.
Oh. Okay. Oh, probably the lady from the airbnb. Because the four of them they look good, man.
So we should run out and pick up on tomorrow.
Eh?
We should run out and pick up on tomorrow.
Well, we don't know. We're going to link you up, man. I will make a flex. If you're free. Alright.
I will on Friday one day to come in for me.
Yeah.
You don't sleep at already.
Roaring river. What's for that there?
I don't even know the picture.
Hello. Good day. We can say evening, you know. Evening. Oh, but once we put it in on the Google, we can find it.
Yeah, man, it's hard to find, man.
It's not hard to find, students. No joke. Well fried. So you want the pot cover, you say, right?
You want to cook the mashed like a hot beans?
Yeah, I took the beans, you know. Yeah, guys, so the lobster look. Look well good. Yeah. Well good. For the season and everything. So we have some more ladies here come to have a shower. You want to use the bathroom? I'll charge you. Here's the key. You want a key? Catch it. Feel free. Feel free to use the bathroom now. Just you want to use the bathroom. In the bush. Because we never know so Negril hot, the sun.
What do you mean, man?
I never know so the sun are going down in Negril.
I don't need to go who are the sun around them there?
Hey, Kingston not so bad.
Yeah, so my well, but that's a, I say man, sun terrible down there, man.
Terrible. Yeah, no, sun terrible, man. I didn't know. So the sun was that hot. I never know. I have to wonder if I threw there closer to the sun when we're in Negril right there. Yeah.
How you feel rain fall? At night time.
Cold.
Hot? No, man.
Eh?
It's very hot, man.
Westmoreland?
How are you talking about, brother?
Westmoreland, we know in Westmoreland when you come on tonight, the place is so cool.
Alright, you have no when it rain. It's a rain, good rainfall.
Yeah.
It's nice, it's cool, but as long as I look nothing.
Oh,
No
dear.
problem, brother. Tell me that.
I never expect that at all. I'm not even lying. Because I said the whole place is hot. It's a lobster fry. We have it in the kitchen. Yeah. Pretty. That is it. Well looking good. Oh, I'm gonna get the pot cover. Yeah. So it's really a quick thing. Yeah. I know you're bad in the kitchen anyway. Same thing a simple thing for you. Hey, you bring the pot cover?
What?
The pot cover for that small pot. Please. lobster is ready.
Made sure the lobster is not burned up.
Yes. Yes. To the D, don't burn the lobster, guys. As I can see, it's not burned. It's pretty.
Woo!
Pretty. Hold on, man. Please. Hold on.
No.
Everyone settle first, baby. Please, don't be like that. Let me go get the rest of the stuffs before we can start. Ruga.
When you come, you won't find anything.
Okay, I hope you're on the next plane to Africa. Guys, I hope she will be on the next plane to Africa. If when I come back, the lobster is not there.
You won't find me here later.
No, you'll be on the next plane to Kenya. Don't even have no soap to wash the pot. You never carry no soap because this wasn't a planned one. So this never planned, guys, so we are improvise. Cook. Who's a keen on a country, man? Yeah, improvise, right? Eh? Oh, see it there? Because of the real style. Yeah. Eh? Allah, she tell me watch a video. She can't believe D mango, you're being naughty. Viewers them know say a D mango burn up the lobster. No, she's trying to stitch me up. Marvin, you really believe her. What is wrong with it? Alright, it's better than all it was before.
Yeah, man, it's
see the guys.
I'm looking at it,
yes.
To make it get out around.
Yeah, even though it doesn't smell wrong. But
no, man, the guinea pig, I have to call it around.
Yeah. And the guinea?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, so we use the guinea leaf.
Yeah.
So the guinea leaf now does take out.
Oh, like, can't take out the round.
Yeah, so the guinea leaf does take out the rawness from the pot and give it a better look. As this wasn't a planned mission, we just stop at the river as we did buy the lobster and she said, yo, let's do this. So that is it. Water upon it. The evidence I already showed to cuz Marvin. Pick up yourself, cuz D never burned the lobster.
He did the magic for us. You don't
D
think
never burned
so
the lobster
much.
star.
And I already tested it, already sampled.
Alright then, so you want me for sure?
He said I should sample it, yes.
Alright.
Wow.
Where's
What
your
a
plate?
day. Guys, you see Kino? Wait. He wanted to give me the leg. Wait a minute, Kino. There were two. Wow, guys, look. Look. You see? When I tell you, Kino is something else. Look what he gave me.
Marvin, no man. She thinks she was gonna get this. And she realized I'm joking, D. Come on.
This is yours, I don't want. This is for Kino, guys. You see how Kino is?
That's a lot though.
Huh?
It's still a lot.
bad man.
Right.
Wow.
The black beans inside.
Woo.
Wow. See the cause? See they're into it.
Since you have some good thing.
We are
Yeah.
in a 5-star hotel.
We at the resort. Coco girl, we at the resort.
Hey, look at that. Hey, that's so good. Woo.
Yes guys, everything is finished.
Yeah.
Finished.
That was so good.
That was good. So time to go wash up and head out to our next stop.
Destination.
And that's gonna be your next Airbnb. Hey, stay tuned for that one.
Hey, the lighting is so good on this. Yeah, because the sun is
Yeah,
this way.
that's why.
Yeah, the sun. Wow. Okay.
One. Yes, well.
Finally home.
Finally, we are here. It's late, but we are here.
We made it safe and sound. So it's also another surprise. One of our subscribers invited us here, guys, again one more time.
Yes.
And thank you so much for reaching us out, because now we don't know what to say. From another subscriber Airbnb to another fan subscriber.
So it's like it's a family thing, you know. One subscriber to another, and we thank you so much.
Yes.
And we're here again in this wonderful Airbnb, so you know what's gonna happen when I get inside. We're gonna choose room and these things again. You know the thing. So we're here in St. Elizabeth. You know, so we're next door to White House, you know, and Brighton and them place. Cause in the video what you see when I was cooking the lobster that was in Bluefields, you know. So he was like what 25 minutes away here in St. You know, but din.
So guys, when you come to St. Elizabeth, we highly recommend this place. Please come with us.
Yeah.
Come enjoy this place. It's beautiful.
Because
right?
from what we see in the link, you know, because she sent us the link, I want to look, I was like, wow.
It's what you get.
I'm like, wow, this is beautiful, you know, so we couldn't hesitate. We're like straight away, like we're coming, you know, right away. I would thank you so much, you know, for reaching out and blessing us. So guys, I'm telling you,
you're the best.
Yes, you're the best. You and your husband is the best. So we thank you so much, and viewers, while watching this, I hope you start to book right now before you even see anything.
And remember, you're so close to YS Falls. We've been to YS Falls already. It was magical. It was beautiful. I don't know if we'll have time to go there again. I don't know the tingle.
Let's see, because we are close to YS Fall, Pelican Bar, you know, and Black River. Right now we're in Black River, right? So it's Black River. And you're close to the, what do you call it, Alligator Pan? Is it Alligator Pan, something like that?
I think so,
I think so. You know the thing though. So guys, so we're here and we call it the veranda. We call it the veranda. So we call it the veranda, you know, really. So this is where you enter from the gate. So we have 2 chairs here where you can sit. You know, you can chill.
And top security, the CCTV.
Exactly, so you cannot go wrong. So you're watching while you're watching TV. Right? So guys, so for the moments B, you do the pleasure?
Yes.
Open the door.
Let's see.
Whoa.
Are you guys even ready?
You're ready for a look at this. Beautiful.
This feels so good.
Beautiful.
So clean, guys. When it comes to cleanliness, wow.
And then say cleanliness is next to godliness.
Yes, it's such a beautiful place. As you all see, we have the living area right here. This is Neke's place.
It says Nikki's. Right, Nikki's place, right?
You said Neke's.
You said Nikki's. It says Nikki's Airbnb. You know, so this is the sitting area, as you can see.
It's beautiful, the decor, wow, nice. And the couch, the settee.
Yes.
Jamaican settee.
So Jamaican say settee.
I feel like I want to
and some say couch. So you have two. You know, so let me pull the door up so you can push the door behind you. And you got your nice flowers here. You know, in here is very nice and cool. You know, you got ceiling fan, which is fan right there. And you got your headlight right here, so we have more lights to turn on.
I'm too comfortable, I don't feel like going.
Alright then, so guys, if you don't feel like going, you think I should just look in the boardrooms and choose one? What do you think?
Let's do the thing.
Wait.
So let's choose with these stones.
Alright, then we're gonna choose with stones.
Oh, with the coin. You have a coin?
With a coin. You have a coin? You don't have a coin? Alright, I have an idea. We're
No,
gonna
today
use
it's me who is sleeping.
No, what we're gonna alright,
So
what we're gonna do?
this is for that room. And this is for that room.
Okay, so we have 2 rooms. We have one on my right and one on my left. But before
So
we,
the hand that you choose
no,
is
but
what
before we enter the room, let's just finish off in
okay,
first.
yes.
So I was just so excited because in the link, when you look on the link and you see the rooms, she was like, oh, and that room. But I said, D, you're not gonna know which one it's gonna be, you know. So this is the table here where you can have
beautiful setting.
Yes.
With the candle lighting, you see, you just light them on and you're good.
and you're good. So this is
so beautiful.
so beautiful,
Wow.
guys. You know, you have your gas stove here. You know, it's
Big
lovely.
cook.
We can
Kino's
cook.
favorite.
Hey, I'm telling you, cooking, where cooking is concerned, because you know, they used to the wood fire. she used to the wood fire and I used to the gas
But
stove.
now
You
Kino
know?
is teaching me, I'm getting used to.
Yes, because she don't even know how to light the gas stove. She's like, "Wait." So now I
Today
know.
morning,
Yeah.
Kino, I was like, Kino, I can't light the gas stove. Then it's
Yeah.
like, no.
Yes, I couldn't believe it. So I know she only used to the wood fire. So yes, got a nice oven as well
You know
too.
how to bake, Kino?
Of course. Bake, you can bake fish. You can bake fish, and you have the microwave.
You have plenty of dishes.
Plenty. You know, this is the first Airbnb that we've been to with so many dishes. You know,
It's like a butt.
exactly. It's like a party. Normally we go we see two
Yeah.
plates, two this.
Hey,
You know,
the wine glasses.
look at that. It's so big. That is a big wine glass.
I tell
That is
you.
so big, and it's so much. The glass line is very nice. You know.
Hey,
I got a
also
lot-
Kino, they have the blender and everything. We rarely find this.
Oh yes, we really fine blender.
Actually, I don't think we've ever found it.
No.
No.
Nothing, no, none.
Never.
None. So here we
Yeah.
can do smoothies and everything. So
Yeah.
right now you can blend up everything you want, blend up your plant and everything. And we have a big fridge.
I tell you.
It's a
that
big
is
boy.
it. Yeah.
Fridge empty still.
There's jelly in.
Oh, too bad she never surprised you with
It's
no
okay.
jelly.
Because she didn't know you're coming
Yeah.
today.
So you see here is Nikki. So it's Nikki's place. Here it is right here. So you have Pauline, she's the owner. That is the contact number there, Pauline, the owner,
Yes.
which is 1-646
Yes.
255 2416.
Yeah.
So that's it.
Oh, we even have a chef. Wow, there's whole heap of information.
Oh,
you can
yeah.
have a chef, you can have a taxi.
Yes.
Everything.
Everything. So you have,
Wow.
and you have therapists as well too. You have Brian the therapist.
Wow.
As well too. You have Yannick, you know, Nick with the assistant owner as well too. And you have the chef Dale as well too. You have the housekeeper number is there. And we have Jackie as well too. We have Roxy, the taxi man as
Another
well too.
taxi.
And we have Stanley as well, taxi. And we have Debbie, super woman. Right? That must be superwoman. And we have the Wi-Fi password is there. We're not going to show it. So this is welcome to Nikki's place. We are glad to have you as our guests. Hope you have a good night and rest. Thank you so much. You know, so the contact number is here.
Wow,
You can
Kino.
Wow.
Hey, hey.
Oh.
Whole heap of spices also.
Already.
Black pepper, all peppers, you know?
Yeah, right away. So we have
Right
sugar
away.
for D to make tea. You know, we have green tea.
Yes.
And we have yellow. So this is a Lipstick. Yes, Lipton. Yellow label. So it's a Lipton. I don't know which flavor is that. But that is the Lipton. We have coffee, black pepper, all-purpose, and salt. And this is the... Okay, this is the paper thin slice.
Yeah.
So that is that. And you see you have the pipe here, water running.
Clean and nice.
You know, nice. That is, so this is the, you have toaster, right? If you want to toast bread, but D don't eat bread.
Yeah, I don't eat bread.
I never see D say Kino bread, so she want bread. Don't you?
Sweet potatoes and I'm good.
Yeah.
Real country girl.
Don't you eat bread in Kenya?
No, not in Kenya. It's me who doesn't eat bread.
Oh, it's you.
I love yams and plantain and banana,
Okay.
them things,
And also, I don't know what's wrong here.
Exit door. Maybe tomorrow we'll show them.
It's not exit door. You know, we like to check out just in case. We don't know what's going to be behind there, so.
Exit door.
Okay. So, that is that.
Yeah.
That is
When you
that.
come to step Okay, so now it's time for the magic.
So now it's time for the magic. And guys, it's 2 as well too. So we're starting off with this one before we go over to the other one. So it's 2.
So let's see.
Let's see. Wait, come
Today
again.
you're choosing.
Wait, remind me again which is which.
No!
Remind me which one.
The right is the right, the left is the left. Any hand you choose.
No, you said show me 2 colors, right? Let me see the 2
Here.
colors. So which colors is for which room?
This black is for here.
Is there, right?
This is that.
Is that. So you're gonna
Let's
have them
see
in your
the
both
thing.
hands, right?
Yeah.
Shake, 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 shake. I can hear the sound. I can tell by the sound which one.
No, okay, no sound. No sound. Okay, Kino, choose. Guys,
Alright.
let's see.
So eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch the puppy by his toe. If you ever let him go, eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Mickey Mouse build a house. How many blocks did he use? I said 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What you say, guys? Black.
Yeah, look, this is for that.
No,
Of
it's
course,
the black
left
is for
is
air. So black is for air, guys. So let's check.
Kino, no.
Wow. Hey.
Guys, last time Kino took a master.
Look
Last
at
time
this.
Kino took a master room.
Well. This is the black room. Look at my dresser. You know, long we having to have a mirror to say like,
Exactly.
woo! You know? Look at that. So guys,
beautiful.
yes, I love my bed. Wow. I love my
So
bed. Clean.
Yeah.
I love my bed.
So big.
Yes, so it's simple and it's nice. So
Yeah.
okay, so I got the standing AC.
Yeah.
Right, so when leaving room, please turn off AC. Okay, Nikki, so I know that. Whenever I'm leaving the room, I shall turn off the AC.
So
Right?
that is
So I got a night here over here with my night bulb, you know, whenever to plug in, you know, how the thing go. So guys, this is my room, you know, as you can see. So let's go see what they got.
The
you know?
best, the
best. Let's
Woo!
go.
Look at that. Guys.
Wow.
I think this is the most beautiful room.
Of course.
I think this is the master.
Hey, not that, it's this.
Yeah, this is the master. Look at the bed design and everything.
So,
The queen that I have. Look even the design and everything.
so you make the I made a mistake by the wrong choice. I should have followed you when you said no, it's that one. Cause this one is more like me. You wanna swap?
No, Kira, this is more like me. The other one is more like you. Come on.
Yo,
Look at the
hey.
curtains. Beautiful. Honestly.
Oh
this
wait
is-
there, where you got TV?
Yes, and you don't have a
A
TV.
TV.
This is the master. Hey!
No, come on,
Guys,
come
today I
on.
wanna have some Netflix time.
It don't plug in.
Eh?
It don't plug
Today I
in.
wanna have some.
What you
Netflix
TV have a
time.
watch? Oh no.
Yes. The
Why am I-
empress that I am.
Why I wasn't thinking to take the next stone when she was saying no keenness for that one.
Yeah, you could have said yes.
Good. You got your dresser
This
as
is
well too.
beautiful. Yeah.
Wow, it is nice. I like the ceiling. I like the design of the ceiling as well too.
Yeah, beautiful.
Yeah, and you have your AC. You have AC on wall.
Yeah, yours is standing AC.
Standing AC.
Yes.
Your bed is nice. TV and wall.
Everything.
And I don't have. Let me check again if TV is in my room. Maybe it's inside the wall. Wait, there's none. Oh gosh, I don't even bring my speaker. Is the TV behind here? No, I thought the TV was behind. Let me look behind the dresser. The TV is behind it.
Alright, come and check my bathroom.
Alright, so
shower
let's
outside.
see the bathroom now.
Okay. Wow, it's so clean.
Oh,
Wow, love it.
yes,
Look at that. Wow,
Wow.
so clean.
nice.
Wow.
Bathroom
well
is
clean.
nice. Hey,
Yes.
look, this is what I got at home.
What?
This for my hot water.
For your hot water.
Yeah, the
what
same.
you have at home.
Yes, the same one. This one for my hot water. Wow. This bathroom is nice. Oh, look it. It's a long time we haven't been in an Airbnb with a bathtub.
Yeah, we normally
standing. So we got a bathtub here, the toilet, nice as well too.
Clean.
You got your towels and everything. Oh, chandelier for light.
Wow, in the bathroom.
Wow, beautiful. And we
The
got
mirror
and everything. Mirror on the wall. I like this fancy wallpaper. Hey!
Hey, this is a new one. Look at that.
It's fancy. Imagine this. Hey!
Wow. This is the first one I've ever seen in my life that looks
this,
like
right?
this. You have seen this?
No,
this is new. I've seen so many designs, but not this
not
one.
this one. This one
Yeah.
is new. Wow. It's like a fall.
Yeah.
This is nice. Nikki's, can you tell me where you get this, please? I need to order myself one.
Yeah.
The water is literally running down that.
Yeah.
No, now the water comes to 5. Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Hey. Wow.
Smart, Nikki.
Please
Smart,
plug
Nikki.
us.
Yes, Nikki, tell me where you get it, please. Yeah, just send me a message and tell me where you get it. So
That is it for this room. We also have another one on this
okay, so
side.
on another side, they have a next Airbnb apartment as well too. I'm renting out as well too. So
Yes.
this is what we get, and over here.
So if you may be traveling as a group,
Yes.
or whichever, as a family, maybe you're a family of 6, you're coming to Jamaica, you want to visit around YS Post and those other places, don't hesitate to book this place, you know, because this is 2-bedroom, and here again you're gonna see how it looks.
Yes.
So it's all available for you guys.
Yes, so it's 2-bedroom also as well to 1 and 2. So,
I love the smell, so clean and nice.
Wow.
Wow, look at that, guys.
Oh, I like this bed mat. It's right at the bed. Wow, the
Yeah.
bed. Oh, here is
Very
nice.
clean.
Very clean and very nice. This deserve some 7-star. I remember you meant to rate the Airbnbs at 5-star, so we can give it 7.
Yeah, for
Imagine.
sure. It has a
It's
TV
nice
right
too.
there, everything dresser, beautiful.
We call this again dresser drawer, chestnut drawer, any drawer. So you got one room here, it's nice. You got a ceiling fan. Over here it's booming.
You feel like you wanna change.
Don't it? Over here is boom, and this is the bathroom as well too.
Yeah.
So we
Clean, but this one now no bathtub.
yeah, standing.
Yeah.
So this is the standing one.
Yeah.
No. So they got choice, right? They got choice. It's different. At least here, it's not like the other one. It's good. And I like this mirror
Beautiful.
as well too. You got your soap.
The cleaner is doing a good job. It's so clean, guys.
Yes.
Very clean.
The cleaner, big up yourself.
Yeah.
So here is where you have the
Kitchen.
and also you can dine as well because you have the table here.
Yeah.
You can dine.
That
with
is
the kitchen.
true. Wow, you have the cooker, nice pots, classy pots. Wow, more dishes in here, guys.
And cups. So
Yes.
nice.
Everything is there for you.
Same
You have a
toaster.
coffee maker, toaster, microwave, everything.
But look, the Airbnb, but we're coming from the same part.
Yeah, it was beautiful.
The same part. And you have your fridge.
Big boy freeze.
Big boy fridge. So
Alright.
over here is another room.
Yes.
Okay, so you got 2 beds
Yes,
in
guys.
this room. So as what Dee said,
So-
if you come in here as a group,
Yes.
you know, and you decide.
3
say,
people can sleep here, or
3.
5.
Yeah, so,
No, or 6. 2, 4, 6.
yeah, so 2 on that bed over there, 2 here
here,
and 2 here. So it all depends how many people they're allowed to stay.
Yeah, maybe it's
but-
a family.
so it's a
Yeah.
family.
And kids, you know.
Yeah. So they can rent all 2 apartments them by themselves. The
And
whole
it's so
2.
clean, it's nice.
Nice. The tiling is nice, you know.
Yeah.
White all over. I do see myself owning an Airbnb.
Amen.
Amen. I do see myself owning an Airbnb.
That is it.
It's a must. I'm speaking it into the universe, sending it out, send that frequency out that I will, you know.
If Kino has a Lamborghini, what about an Airbnb?
I'm telling you. And got a ceiling fan as well too. Wow. Beautiful. Like it. Trust me guys. So the link will be in the description, you know, and there's the contact number as well too for the owner, Pauline. You can reach out to Pauline same way as you can see the number is there. come on and book. So we're here in Black River, right? So there's a Black River, St. Elizabeth.
So tomorrow we'll take you around outside, guys.
Yeah, so you can see exactly where we are, how close we are to the Pelican Bar. You know, that's in, I think that's Treasure Beach.
Yes.
And you have, I think the alligator. Is it the alligator pan?
Yeah.
Yes.
Alligator pan.
So we're close to the alligator pans and everything.
Safari.
And the safari as well too. And we're close to the Wyeth's Fall as well too. You know, so how far away are we from the Wyeth's Fall? Okay, so about 15 minutes. It's close, about 15 minutes away. And Pelican Bar about 15 as well, right? Yes. And the alligator pan, about the same. Further. So we're here in Black River. Very close, you know, so everything is in touching distance.
So guys, if you wanna book the place, the link is in the description. Don't miss out.
Don't miss out.
And thank us later.
Exactly. Because what I've seen for the price, you will love that price, trust me.
So clean
it's
and
reasonable, you cannot complain. You will not miss to book. So please guys, don't go and look. Yeah, look to book. But after you look, please go and book. Come on, my room, please.
Yeah.
Unless you want to swap. Let's swap.
No way. No way.
Let's swap, D.
No way. I'm looking for my phone.
Alright, in life, the Almighty give people second chances. Let's choose again.
Second chance.
Yeah, come on.
Let's see second chance.
Yeah, go on.
I'm not bubbling again.
Go on, give me a chance. Yeah, let me redeem myself.
Okay, let's see.
This one.
Go. I knew. This is psychology. Okay, you deserve it for sure. Go there. I gave you second chance. And that is the last one.
Last one. But the black one is still for here.
Of course.
Yeah, I
You
still
didn't
lost.
get it.
Didn't
Still
get
got it. Still. Let me see third chance.
Alright, go on then.
I'll get you still.
Alright, watch. This time you ain't gonna get it now.
You sure?
Alright, watch.
I'm not going to get you.
No.
You sure? Okay.
Don't try anything spooky. Try to hide one of the stones and pushing out one stone. So come on.
I know right now what your mind will choose.
My mind is blank.
Your mind is blank?
Of course. I'm just gonna tap anyone that shows
Okay,
up.
tap.
Yes,
I knew! I knew! Remember my teacher? I knew! I knew you couldn't come back again because you thought I could put it
No,
again.
you know what? I was gonna go back and at the last minute my hand went over there. You know?
Even now I know I'll get you. You want us to see?
There you go.
If you don't get it, you give me 5,000 now.
No, it's okay. Because right now my brain is messed up with choosing right now. So I gave up. You know, I gave up. So I guess what belongs to you is for you. What is for you is for you. So if that room is for you, it's for you. If this is for me, I will be definitely comfortable. At least I got my phone to watch my TV and my phone. Then I don't really watch TV anyway. Because
guys, that is it. I also need to do my other part.
Alright then guys, so stay tuned. Remember the link will be in the description. Trust me, this is more than worth it, you know, to come here to book it. You know, you won't be disappointed. Right, so please just check it. Just go and look on it. The link is in the description and the contact number will be there as well too for Pauline, the owner. Because here it's showing you Pauline, the owner. So that is the overseas number 1646 255 2416. Right, so that is it. You cannot go wrong. You know, enter Nikki's place here in the Black River. So guys, so please go and look it out. Don't only look it out, just go and book it out, right? If it's not for now, trust me, just have it in your mind and your bucket list to book this Airbnb whenever you're here, close by. So it is close by. So this is where we're going to be leaving from, going to White House, going to Eastern Spring, going to Bluefields, you know. So we're going to be here, from here and there and there. So that is it. So stay tuned. So remember, like before watching. If you reach this far and you haven't liked the video, just pause it and then go and put the thumbs up, and then you can go back and finish watch it. You won't miss nothing. Remember, check out Demo and Goes. The link will also be in the description as usual. So thank you so much. Well, that is it.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.